Computer Creations. This week, we are doing Snuffy.
Yes.
We have Snuffy here today.
I am here.
Might give you a hint of what we're doing this week. Definitely elephant related. My ears are kind of floppy. Anyway, stop laughing and get to it, girls. All right, so we are doing wooden door hangers. So with this kit, it's just gonna be one thing you're getting, but it's kind of cool, and it's an elephant, or you can get a dog, or you can get a kitty. All right, so
These are all cute.
if you have a supply of paint at home, you can use paint on this. You can also use marker, and I'll show you the difference. What do you think, Snuff?
There's a big difference.
There is a big difference. I use the gray silvery paint on the front part of the elephant, and a marker on the back. The marker is good because when you do it, you don't have to go over the design. It comes right through.
Oh, yes, yes.
But the gray paint is darker and it's a little bit prettier, I think. This is the basic design of the elephant, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna color in some of the leftover parts that I didn't do. This will be a fun project to do on a sunny day, rainy day, whenever.
I'm gonna make outside and, color.
I'm gonna make his eyes pink. You can color outside, true. You can paint outside.
Yeah, it's fun.
Toenails are pink.
Oh.
And, let's do the star blue. What do you think?
Ooh, that sounds like a kind of a circus elephant.
Definitely a circus elephant. Starting to come together. I mean, I would do this in front of the camera, but you guys know what coloring is, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Experts.
he looks like a zombie. A zombie elephant. I'm sorry, he just looks a little dizzy looking. You can make it any way you want, though. You could color that eye in totally black and make it the way you'd like.
Yeah.
And go around the edges, use the same color as the star, or do it any colors you'd like you have at your house.
You could even try different kinds of paints,
Right. I think I used acrylic paint on the front part of the elephant.
What about watercolors?
Watercolors are really cool. It would sink right into the wood and make it really special. So you get the idea. I'm just gonna finish coloring in. I don't wanna go over the lines.
Well, it's okay to color outside of the lines.
Yes, it is.
And like I said, sometimes Sharpies help with that. Those black markers. You can go back in and outline everything. Maybe your parents could help you with that.
Yeah, definitely. So this is really for any age.
Yeah.
Anyone that's above, I'd say 4 years old. Even a 3-year-old could do this.
And you know what's great? You can use it on your door in your room.
Right. And maybe we'll do a little picture of that after. We'll show it on a picture.
And if you don't get the elephant, it's okay. There's a cat and dog, and they're beautiful.
Right. Okay, so you get the gist of it. Yeah. So if you're gonna decide to do one or the other, if you're gonna do the marker, stick with it. If you're gonna do the paint, stick with it. Because he looks kind of funny when he has two different colors, doesn't he?
It's nice to know you can use both, though.
You can.
Either one.
Yeah. And you can use whatever you have around the house. Whatever's handy. And you don't have to make a gray elephant either, do you?
No, you could do pink.
Pink elephants on parade.
Purple, yellow.
Yeah, you just choose whatever you'd like for your color combinations. Make it your own and have fun with it. And remember, we have 3 different choices, and these will be available at the library after the YouTube video airs in July. So come down to the library, pick up your craft kit, and see what else is going on at the library, right?
Yeah, it's a great place to be.
Right, Snuffy.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you joined me today. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, Miss Allison. I quite enjoyed it.
Have a great day, everyone.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.